Get ready to enter the extraordinary world of Drake, the Canadian rapper, singer, songwriter, and producer, as we delve into his luxurious lifestyle and discover how he's built a fortune worth over $260 million. From sprawling mansions in high-end cars to private jets and flashy bling, Drake's spending habits are as extravagant as his chart-topping hits. Join us on this journey as we unravel the secrets behind one of the most successful musicians of our time and discover how he's turned his talent into incredible wealth. Drake owns the Embassy, a $100 million compound that was built just for him. The rapper even got special permission from the city of Toronto to build fences around his house that were twice as high as the law allowed. He also spent about $1 million on tall trees to put around the property. The 50,000 square foot custom mansion isn't just meant to look nice, it's also meant to be useful, which is why Drake designed it with some of the rapper's favorite hobbies in mind. Drake and his friends can play a quick game of basketball on the home's NBA-size indoor court before heading to his private recording studio. He has a room called the Awards Room where he puts up pictures of all his things he has done, and a hallway where he keeps his sports jerseys. Drake can relax and have fun with his friends in the Great Room after a long day at work. There is a copy of the Metropolitan Chandelier in the Great Room. The Grand Chandelier, which is the second largest of its kind in the world, is made of more than 20,000 pieces of hand-cut Swarovski crystals. But Drake would much rather spend his time in his 3,200 square foot master bedroom suite. The 4,000-pound black marble tub is probably the most important part of the bathroom. It was carved from a single block of marble, making it one of the most unique things in Drake's house. It goes well with a two-story closet. It was made with luxury materials like amethyst, crystal, and diamond. Drake can relax in either of his two saunas, get a massage for an hour, or swim in either his indoor or outdoor pool. The black granite indoor pool has a backlight that Drake can use to change the mood of the room for any event. Believe it or not, he even has a high-tech toilet that sings and can be lit with different kinds of neon lights. The star also owns 3 homes in Hidden Hills, California, a wealthy area where some of the Kardashians live. The first is a ranch that is 2,449 square feet and costs $4.5 million. Drake bought the 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath house with a plan of putting it together with some other nearby houses to make an estate. Drake also bought a $7.7 million house in a ranch from the 1950s for $2.8 million. He named this one the YOLO State. The house has an amazing pool with a waterfall and a cave. The house also has a gym, a tennis court, a movie theater, and a game room. Drake has a huge garage ready for him to store all of his expensive cars. He bought a rare Bugatti Veyron Sang Noir for $3.4 million, which is one of his most impressive cars. They only built 12 of them ever. He also has a Mercedes Maybach G650. Mercedes only made 99 of these in the world, and Drake is the only person in North America who owns one. He also has a rare Mercedes Pullman worth $600,000 and the last Maybach 62S long delay ever made. It is thought that this collector's car cost the singer more than $1 million. Drake has also been seen driving around in a few more useful cars. His Ferrari LaFerrari, which he bought for more than $1 million, might be one of his favorites. The Lamborghini Aventador, which cost him $400,000 and is thought to have a top speed of 217 miles per hour, is another. A DeVille 16 worth $2.2 million, a Rolls-Royce Dawn worth $400,000, and a few other classic luxury cars are also in the rapper's collection. A Lamborghini Gallardo R, a Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, a Bentley Continental GTC, and a McLaren 675 LT are also in his garage. Drake likes to travel in nice cars, but he doesn't always drive fast in sports cars. Instead, his $185 million private plane is his favorite way to get around. The designer for Louis Vuitton, Virgil Abloh, just gave the Boeing 767-300F a makeover. It now has a blue exterior with painted clouds on it. Drake loves collecting shoes, watches, and clothes almost as much as he loves collecting cars. His $750,000 Richard Mille watch is the one thing that stands out. In 2019, backstage at the O2 Arena, he showed off his expensive watch and the rest of his outfit, which included an $11,000 Brioni jacket, an $18,000 Tom Ford suit, and a $200,000 custom diamond chain. Drake has also been seen at Raptors games with a custom Raptors championship ring and a $600,000 Patek Philippe watch. There are 1,343 diamonds used to make the rare rose gold watch. He also has a pair of Jordan 5 Retro Tokyo T23 sneakers that are bright yellow and would sell for more than $5,000 today. Drake also has a large collection of old Nike shoes that honor the great Kobe Bryant, who died in 2016. It is said that his collection is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars as a whole. The rapper also likes to collect Hermes Birkin bags. He has been collecting these expensive bags for years as a gift for the women he plans to marry. One of his most expensive pieces is a Hermes Himalaya Birkin, which costs between $100,000 and $400,000 US. Drake is good at a lot of things besides music. He's able to live this luxuriously because he is a co-owner of OVO, October's Very Own, a company that includes his record labels, clothing line, and radio station. This is how he makes enough money to live this way. Drake doesn't keep all the money for himself though, because he is so passionate about sports. He and the Raptors donated $3 million to Toronto and Canadian basketball teams. He also gave away $1 million to fans while making the music video for God's Plan. The $1 million in cash was supposed to be the budget for the video, but Drake had better ideas for how it could be spent. Drake has enough money because while on tour, he reportedly makes up to $2 million per night. His wealth has made him want to start investing in other things. He put money into the technology company Omni. Drake will likely keep investing in the future, but his goal has always been to build his own empire. He even has his own line of expensive champagne called Mod Selection. Each bottle costs between $300 and $400. Drake has started something brand new that he's never done before. He's become a dad. Drake's son, Adonis, was just recently introduced to the world after rapper Pusha T let slip that Drake really did have a child. And Adonis is definitely getting older and learning to appreciate the nicer things in life. Drake and Sophie shared some photos of their son Adonis' second birthday party. This gave people a rare look into his life. They decorated the rapper's house with lots of gold balloons and Cookie Monster decorations, which seemed to be Adonis' favorite character. We also know that Adonis likes art and that he likes to drive around in a mini luxury car. Drake seems to be living by his motto, family over everything. So what do you think of Drake's expensive way of life? Tell us what you think in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.